What is the difference between Pfizer and AstraZeneca?
So the Pfizer vaccine is one of the new RNA vaccines and is given in 2 doses about 3 weeks apart, Laura. The AstraZeneca vaccine is part of the coronavirus inserted into a common cold virus obtained from chimps, which actually doesn't multiply in our bodies more than once. And the dose interval between first and second dose is 12 weeks.
Okay, some common questions we get here. Can you get the coronavirus from having the vaccine?
Absolutely no way. There's no live virus in any of the vaccines being used in Australia. They actually only code for the protein that is that big club you see on the outside of the virus, which floats around television screens, not the whole virus itself. So there's no way you can do that.
Do I need it if I'm young and healthy?
Yes, you do, because even young and healthy people rarely can gain severe disease. And also, although we have no evidence yet about the degree to which the vaccine reduces spread, we think it will reduce spread, but probably not completely eliminate it. And that will help society. It'll help your parents and grandparents as well, of course.
Should I get it if I'm pregnant?
Now, that's unfortunately a question that's not yet been answered by trials. We do know that pregnant women are at greater risk of getting severe disease with COVID-19. So we'd dearly like to have full safety data in pregnant women. We don't have that completely yet. Both vaccines are probably safe, probably worthwhile avoiding them in the first trimester when perhaps fever or other things might actually cause problems. But there will be more advice coming in the future.
Once I get the vaccine, how long will I be immune for?
We don't know the answer to that. We do know that the immunity to the virus lasts at least months, but that's something that we in particular and our colleagues in New South Wales are studying right now. And of course, we'll see studies flowing in from the UK, Israel and the USA in the near future.
If you've already had the coronavirus, COVID-19, do you need to be vaccinated?
There's a bit of interesting information about this. If you happen to be overseas and you've had the South African strain, then it doesn't make any difference at all whether you've had that strain or not, and you need to be immunised. We don't know about the other strains of the vaccine. There are trials going on to use a single dose booster and see how that works. So we wait on that.
How effective are they?
They're very effective. The Pfizer vaccine is 95% efficacious in trials, and the field rollout in Israel is looking as though it's backing that up, although it's difficult to obtain direct information because of the coincident lockdown. We've also got some preliminary information from the UK suggesting the figure of 95% is pretty accurate. We do know that in trials, the AstraZeneca vaccine, if you take it 12 weeks apart, it reaches an efficacy of about 83% in total.
Well, you are the expert, and that's why we've come to you this morning, Dr. Tony Cunningham. We appreciate your time.
A pleasure. Bye.